before we go ahead and get started, I want to thank you so very much for tuning in to today's episode. Don't forget to episode what? Show me my love. Oh God, show me sweet love. Hello roomies, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be talking about my first Influenster box. So before we go ahead and get started, I want to thank you so very much for tuning in to today's episode. Don't forget to episode what? Today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified my videos have been uploaded. Let's get right into the video. So I got this in the mail on Friday. Actually, it was really unexpected. I know I had filled out a couple of surveys, but I wasn't, expecting anything in the mail. So I got this again on Friday. It hasn't been opened yet. Nothing. So let's see. The packaging is cute. It has like little hair things all around. It's purple. They have their name on the front of it. Influenster, Discovery, View, Share. And let's see. So when you first open the box, okay. So the things I got in this box are the following. Oh, there's another one. See if there's anything else. Okay, no, that's all. Oh, by the way, I received all these products for free. I didn't pay for anything. I didn't have to pay for shipping, so everything was sent for free. So the first thing I did get was Gold Bond Ultimate Hydrating Cream. It's called Radiance Renewal Cream Oil. This is for your skin. This actually came in time because I am doing a new skin routine, and I most likely will add this into my routine. So it has coconut oil, cocoa butter, African shea butter, and it is meant to exfoliate and nourish visible dry skin. Gentle exfoliants, non-greasy 24-hour moisturizer, and it is 5.5 ounces. So let's open this and see how it smells. Well, if there is a smell. And I wonder if you could use this on your face. Okay. Okay. I've never used Gold Bond products. It doesn't smell bad, and it's actually pretty thick. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, this is a thick consistency. I don't know why I'm getting tongue-tied. So let's see the back. Triple blend of coconut oil, cocoa butter, and African shea butter delivers nourishing extended hydration. Gentle exfoliants help remove dead, dry skin cells that cause skin to look flaky and ashy. Ooh, I need this. I've been dealing with that on my face, so hopefully I can use this on my face. This must be some of their new stuff because it has new right at the top. So let's move on to the next product. We have Jazzing. Oh, it's called the Oh, it's by Clairol Professional. Their Jazzing collection for hair dye. And this is in ruby red. Another thing, this came in right in time because, well, if you see my vlog, you'll see that I am looking to purchase my first kinky curly wig, and I wanted to dye it a red color, like towards the tips. So This would be perfect. One thing I don't have to buy is red dye. Okay, this is 3 fluid ounces. Oh, this goes for $5.99 for a 5.5 ounce, and for a 14 ounce it goes for $7.99. Let's see, it is dermatologist tested. They gave me like all information about this. It is dermatologist tested. Let's see, anything else on here? That's it. Their Instagram is at goldbond_ultimate. On Facebook it is at goldbondultimate. That's it for that one. And for the Clairol Jazzing Semi-Permanent and Temporary Hair Color, this goes for, it's a 3 ounce. This is $6.49. Their Instagram is Clairol_PRO. So let's see. Anything else I need to know about this? So it does give you instructions on the back. Not sure if you can see that, but it does give you instructions on the bag on how to use this, which I will be using when I get my hair in the mail. And the last thing I got was more hair stuff, which is great. Yeah, I know that's all about my channel. Let me just open it up for y'all. Okay. Okay, so this is the bottle. I love it. It's like a matte black. So this is another thing from Clairol Professional, iThrive Keratin Rescue Split and Repair with Panthenol. This is 5.1 fluid ounces, and this goes for $9.99. So let's see. Okay, so this is their iThrive Keratin Rescue Split and Repair. It's lightweight finishing cream formulated with panthenol. It leaves dry, damaged hair smooth and frizz-free all the way to the ends. Let's see the smell of it. Oops. It has a good smell though. This is the consistency of it. So it's not thick, but it's not watery. I love how this bottle looks. So I'll be using this because, as y'all can see, my hair is out. This is probably a once in a lifetime thing y'all will be seeing. But yeah, I will be using that to, you know, get my hair on track with split ends and everything. We'll be using this. I will be putting this into my skincare routine, and I will be definitely using this. This will be my first time using all these products, so I'll be using all these, and we'll come back with an updated video about these products after I use both of these for a long time. And when my hair does come in the mail for this one, there will be a video of me dyeing my hair and all that good stuff. So let's see what else I got in the mail. Well, with this, they did give me a coupon. So I have one I can get for free. I can get a iThrive Keratin Rescue Choose Any Hair product. So any of the iThrive products, and I can get a free Jazzing hair collection. So I get another one of these for free, which I will be doing. So this was a win. Let me put everything back in the box. So what I will do is, if you're looking to get review products from companies without having a huge following, you can definitely do it with Influenster. I will leave the link to their website down below in the description box, along with all the products that I was sent and the prices next to them, just in case you want to go back and look at it. This has we have come to the end of my video for today. I want to thank you all so very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when my videos have been uploaded. Until then, see you in my next one. Bye. The same. Check me out.
Nope.
Cause when we made love, I heard you call. Don't blow me.